Did you know that you can actually get paid to watch videos? There are several companies out there that will pay you to watch videos as well as TV. Visit these sites to start earning extra money in your spare time. Top ways to get paid to watch videos. Take a look at the sites to decide what is important to you. Each site has different options, like getting paid in cash, that you can choose from to start making money while video watching. 1. Swagbucks. One of the easiest ways to make money online is with Swagbucks. You will earn bucks for watching a variety of videos ranging from world news, sports highlights, and other themed videos. It's even possible to get paid to watch videos that are sponsored. Ways to earn. Watch movies and trailers, surfing the web, take online surveys, shop online. Ways to get paid. Gift cards, PayPal, cash. Trustpilot. 4.3 out of 5 stars. 2. Watch Netflix. As the most popular subscription video streaming service, Netflix periodically hires taggers to watch and tag their programming to provide accurate recommendations to fellow subscribers. You can see all open positions on the Netflix job board. Tagger positions are not the most financially lucrative and can require long hours. But, if you love to binge watch content or watch anything Netflix has to offer, this can be a great opportunity. 3. InstaGC. InstaGC makes it easy to earn money watching videos. All you have to do is head over to the site, sign up, and follow the instructions. Ways to earn. Watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, looking online. Get paid with online gift cards from over 300 retailers. 4. MyPoints. MyPoints is a sister site to Swagbucks. The way to earn is exactly the same, but the award options can differ. To earn points, you must complete a watch playlist, the entire playlist, in order to receive the points. Ways to earn. Play video games, take online surveys, read emails, refer a friend, surf the web. Trustpilot. 4.4 out of 5 stars. 5. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars also allows you to get paid to watch videos on a daily basis. As one of the leading Swagbucks alternatives, you will also make money completing surveys, playing online games, performing web searches, and signing up for promotional offers. Other ways to earn. Opening sponsored emails. Shopping online. $5 just for signing up. So far, Inbox Dollars members have earned over $400 million in rewards. Trustpilot. 4.1 out of 5 stars. 6. Irazoo. Irazoo has been in business for over a decade and has paid out over $100 million to members so far. When you watch videos on Irazoo, you'll earn points. Ways to earn. Watching movies, taking surveys, playing games, completing offers, referring friends. Get paid via PayPal and gift cards. Irazoo works with Android and with iOS devices. 7. Nielsen Digital Voice. As many households are cutting the cable TV cord and streaming TV shows and videos online, the methods used to measure TV viewing habits have changed. Nielsen Digital Voice gives you the opportunity to tell the world what you watch on your computer or mobile device by downloading the Nielsen mobile app. Other ways to earn. Surfing the web, shopping online, completing surveys. Earn rewards and even entered into a monthly cash prize drawing of $10,000. 8. Nielsen TV Ratings. If you still watch traditional television, you can also make money by becoming a Nielsen family. For decades, Nielsen families have been the primary influence for television show ratings as households track which shows they watch. While this is an exciting opportunity, participants are chosen at random, and there isn't an application process. You will need to watch your mailbox for an invitation. If you are selected, they will pay you for your efforts. Nielsen does invite more families during the sweeps season months of February, May, July, and November. 9. Slide Joy. If you enjoy interactive ads on your smartphone, give Slide Joy a try. Slide Joy will display an ad when you unlock your phone on the passcode screen. Sliding your thumb right will dismiss the ad, while sliding left will engage the ad and take you to the advertiser's website to interact with the ad. Ways to earn. Watching YouTube videos, browsing advertiser sites, activating digital coupons. To ensure fairness, you earn the same amount if you interact or dismiss the ad. This is similar to earning Google Play credits. You can also earn points for referring friends and linking your Facebook account. For now, Slide Joy is only available on Apple and Android smartphones. They have plans to make Slide Joy tablet compatible. 10. Quick Rewards. Another site that allows you to make money watching videos and completing other online tasks is Quick Rewards. Many people from the online community prefer Quick Rewards because membership is open to residents of the US, Canada, and the UK. Ways to earn. Watch videos, daily surveys, reading emails, online shopping that earns 25% cash back. Redeem rewards for cash via PayPal and gift cards like Amazon. 11. Creations Rewards. Creations Rewards pays you to watch videos and also to shop online, take surveys, explore websites, play games, and refer friends. The earnings opportunities are virtually limitless, and you can use your rewards points to get gift cards and PayPal cash. New members can also earn a $5 sign-up bonus. 12. Cash Kick. The Cash Kick site is slightly different from the other sites that pay you to watch movies or complete surveys. Cash Kick displays its offers in one place. Most of the offers require you to sign up. Cash Kick gets paid to promote products and services, then shares the commission with you. Examples include yoga classes, Hulu, and others. Make sure you read the conditions carefully. Some subscriptions start with a free trial yet continue into a paid subscription after the trial has ended. 13. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is one of the most widely used sites for earning money by watching videos. They'll pay you when you give feedback after you watch videos. Ways to earn. Watching movies, taking surveys, online surfing. Redeem your points via PayPal. Vindale Research has paid out over $5 million in rewards. Go here to download Vindale Research Desktop. 14. Earnably. Earnably is a free reward site that will pay you for watching videos, taking surveys, and completing offers. You earn points for each task you complete. Ways to earn. Watch movies, take surveys, refer friends. Trade in your points for cash via PayPal or gift cards like Amazon and other popular retailers. The minimum payout with Earnably is just $1. 15. Success Bucks. Success Bucks will pay you for watching videos as well as other tasks too. You can get paid for filling out surveys, participating in contests, and more. The minimum payout for Success Bucks is just $1, and they'll pay you via PayPal or other options. You can earn money with Success Bucks for referring friends too. 16. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash, like some of the other here, is a GPT site. Ways to earn. Watch movies, complete online tasks, download test apps, play games, take surveys, refer friends. Now, you're not going to get rich watching videos on Fusion Cash, but it will help you bring in some extra cash. 17. Ad Wallet. Ad Wallet is a GPT site as well. They'll pay you up to $3 for each interaction. The site is easy to use. After you sign up, you'll get notifications when there's a video for you to watch. Each video is hand-picked based on your preferences. After you watch your video, you'll answer a question or two about the video. Then you'll get paid. Once you've earned at least $10, you can cash out via direct deposit, or you can choose from a selection of retail gift cards. You can also choose to donate your earnings to a selection of charities. 18. TV2. TV2 will pay you in the form of cryptocurrency when you watch videos. They'll give you additional earnings when you complete other tasks too. It is easy to get started. Simply download TV2, link devices, then sit back, enjoy watching shows and earn crypto. Minimum payout for this site is $50,000 in cryptocurrency. Watch for seasonal incentives and other ways to earn bonus points. Summary: you can make extra cash watching videos in your free time from almost anywhere. It's possible to make money from home or even while waiting in line. The flexibility of how you can earn money watching videos and movies is what makes this a fun and creative opportunity for anybody. Have you made money watching television or videos? If so, let me know your experience below.